Hello everyone, my name is just Aïssi. I am a mask artist. With mask, we have the workshop, the Gumboots workshops, we have the shows, we have the residencies, and also the online program. The dance that I'm doing is Gumboots, that's the name of the dance. It's a percussive dance. It's a traditional and modern dance that's come from South Africa. And the concept is we have no instruments, so we are the instruments, so we have to clap, we have to slap, we have to stomp. In the middle of the workshops, we're going to learn the story of Gumboots. We're going to learn the physical effort that we have to do and to learn to work together as a team. That small victory that really reinforces that self-confidence is very important. And you can see that at the end of the workshop of Gumboots. And that I find it really rewarding.